They are literally setting fireworks off over the stables. I'm Louise, if you didn't know, and if you were following this account last year, you'll know I did a little fireworks vlog, which would be like, why are you doing a fireworks vlog when I don't actually go to any fireworks shows? It's because where we are, there are loads of new houses around, so sometimes they fire fireworks quite close to the horses, and so they have to be in. But with them being in the stables, obviously it echoes a lot more, and so we just like to stay with the horses until like 8:30 until all the fireworks have died down. It might be quite late tonight because the day is the 5th, which is fireworks night. If you're not in the UK, your fireworks day might be different. Like I know America's is in like July or June, I don't know. Thought I'd take you through what we do to keep the horses safe from fireworks. It's dark and I'm using my back camera, so I can't actually see where I'm going because I'm being blinded. But we're off to catch Pony. Hey Thundy, how are you finding the fireworks? Are you quite happy? I need to get a rug on you because it's a little bit chilly. Yeah. It looks so grumpy. Yeah, I'm gonna put some rugs on them there because it's November, so it can be a little bit chilly. Don't put a rug on me. You itch me. That's you.
I'm gorgeous.
Hello. Can I put a rug on you?
No.
Wow. And that's big fireworks. They're celebrating me.
So I swear Thunder is normally a lot more cooperative doing his rug, but I think he knew something was up tonight, so that's why he was wandering around his stable a bit more.
They're whiny ones.
Can you just hurry up now?
I know. You think it'd be nice and toasty with this on. Ow. My eye.
Because he is older, clipped and a skinny legend, he normally has 2 rugs on at night to keep him nice and toasty, but also having this sheet means that the fleece on top doesn't get quite as greasy, if that makes sense.
Okay, so the fireworks at the moment, most of them are that way, but I think soon they'll actually be behind the stables, which the horses don't like as much because obviously they can't see them, but it's all going well so far. Like the youngest horse here is 18 and Thunder's 28, so they've all seen fireworks before, but we still want to be here just in case a firework gets close to the yard. Yeah. It's all going great so far. The only one who seems slightly distressed is Tiny, but he can't see, so he gets a free pass. And he's been walking around in circles, so we're just going to add a couple more Orbeos to his bed so that he's not sleeping on concrete because we don't want him to walk it all around. What's going on? Yeah, what is it?
And so with Tiny's great managing and helpful advice, I did manage to open the packet of Orbeos. Actually, it took a couple of attempts because I'm not very good, but I did it.
Is he very impressed? What is this? Not. I think we'll have to eat chocolates and coffee soon, otherwise they're going to get cold. Happy birthday.
Next was to spread it out because although you can't see, it was basically like a mountain of Orbeos, which is not great for a bed for a horse.
Changing your mind quick, making me car sick.
Very happy with my hot chocolate. I'm pretty worried it's going to be too hot. They are literally setting fireworks off over the stables. So yeah, they're not too happy, so I'm staying with Maria for now, feeding her all of our little homegrown apples. We love free stuff, and she seems to be a little bit happier. I might need a top up soon. Okay, it's a big apple.
Maria is honestly one of the most food-orientated horses I've ever met, so having the apples not only made her happier, but also gave her something else to think about other than the fireworks.
Like a scratch.
Giving her scratches in all her favourite places also helped her calm down, but I think the apples were definitely a big win, so if something stressful like that comes up again, definitely be doing that.
It's okay, I think that's just the wind. Yeah, keep that on before the stress. Oh, it's the steam train. Oh my god, that scared me. It's okay. You're allowed to be scared. We're dealing with it amazingly. Okay. No, there's no more apples. I'm really sorry you ate them all. Don't have a lick though. Be stressed. You're doing amazing. There. Good girl. It's alright. Yeah. Good girl. That's alright. Not fun, is it? I'm not gonna hurt her. I promise. Can I look? No, you have an itch here. It's okay. Oh, bless him. Maria's not too impressed either. She's calmed down a bit. She's just kind of standing here and letting me stroke her.
He's literally standing and just shivering.
Aww. Oh. That's it. You can go for a wander. Maria, it's okay. It's okay. You got this. You wanna come here? Good girl. There you go. It's alright. I'm here to protect you. It's okay. You want some hay? Do you want some hay? No? Oh dear. How's Thunder doing now?
Still love it. I'm stroking him and talking to him.
Okay.
It's a low voice.
There you go.
He pooed 3 times there and that's going on.
Aww. Maria's done 2 in total. Doing amazing. Favourite international diva? Amazing. Oh, good girl. That was a big sigh. You're getting a little bit better now.
And Thunder's ears are going back and forward listening to the bang.
Yeah, she seems really like hyper alert. Hey Maria. I'm gonna maybe find some more apples to give you. But so far we're just doing the itches and the scratches and she seems quite happy. Just chilling with Tiny. I think he might try and eat me. But they've all calmed down a lot. Maria is still sulking at the back of the stable, which is very understandable. Thunder has stopped shivering. Tiny is swimming himself. It's like 7:30, so we might be here for like another half an hour. But I'm very proud of them all. Hi, that's my hair. Hi, I love you. But I've been keeping myself going with some hot chocolate because we have a kettle here. It's actually still got some water in, so I might be able to make up another one. Something we might need it for another night. We just got sachets of hot chocolate left over from when my sister Catherine went to Victon. I don't know if she's put a vlog up yet, but we thought we might use them up. But there is a lot of very exciting stuff happening. As you guys know, Fred has actually been sold. I think there might be a video coming up next week where he's still here. Animal routine. The routine has kind of stayed the same, but Fred's not here anymore. He's in perfect hands and I'm very happy with where he is. But might be having a new horse arriving soon in the yard, which is very exciting. I've been to try 2 already and they've both been gorgeous. So yeah, fingers crossed.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever
I had these bad boys, so I am going to go sit with Tiny because he is currently walking around his stables. There are still fireworks going off. Yippee doo. And yeah. Whoop. Just tripping over a stone. Hello. Who are mine?
But I want them.
No. They will kill you. No.
Please.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah. I'd say, for someone who can't see, he is dealing with it very well. Are you trying to smell the Maltesers off my breath? No. Yeah, no, Tiny, that's the packet. Don't take it. That's my... That's not funny.
It kinda was.
These are my Maltesers, not yours. Yeah. You just stole my packet of Maltesers. You just picked it up and took it. No, not again. No, they're mine. Yeah, they're not yours. Go find your own Maltesers. I've given you many apples, you know?
Apples just aren't the same.
Want an itch instead?
That could work.
I think I might do some like stretching or something while I'm here. You know, get some mobility. I did not have the motivation to do that in the cold and dark. Those are my Maltesers. They're not yours.
They could be.
Do not. That's my knee. Stealing my knee. Hi. Hello. Hello. That's my face.
Zodiac lion.
Is that Leo? What other clues are there?
Spiky plant.
Cactus?
I would think so because it's 6. Warty amphibian.
Spotty?
Warty amphibian.
Oh, a toad.
Yeah. Mythical half man, half horse.
Centaur. Okay, you got it. You got me and my Maltesers here. I'm gonna protect you. Hey, buddy, don't walk away. Nice. It's okay. I know, they can't get you in here though. I promise. There you go. See, you did that one without going in circles. I'll go check on Maria. He wasn't too happy with them and they were super close. You look good? Ah, good girl. No, these are Maltesers. You can't actually eat them. Yeah, I'm sorry. But well done. You weren't super duper at the back of your stable. Very proud of you. Cool. I will go sit with Tiny again. You're going to be okay on your own? You seem to be okay with that one. That's you. Alright then. Tiny, it's okay. Come here. Oh, you're doing a poo. Just hiding at the back, Thunder. Unless you're helping with the crossword.
But that's what you keep doing, is literally about that much. And then, you know,
Yeah. Just wanna...
moving out anyway.
At this point in the night, we had locked the tack room, and I still wanted to give Tiny a scratch, but he was kind of dirty because he doesn't wear rugs, and so I just used the fork to give him a scratch all over, which he thoroughly enjoyed.
Go on. That'll make you feel a bit better.
The last job of the night was obviously to take out all the horses' poo, and so while I'm only filming Maria's, the others did have their poo taken out, and it was quite a hard job because they had walked it all in.
I think I've got the worst of it, and I think the worst of the fireworks are done, so we are going to be heading home. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did like it, make sure to stick around by subscribing and pressing the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. You can have a sleep now, Thunder. We'll leave you be.
I think I'm hooked on you, baby, golden. Time